how to make Vietnamese spring rolls. I chose this recipe because it has tofu in it, and I've been wanting to show y'all how to make tofu. I feel like it kind of gets a bad rap sometimes because you really have to know how to prepare it for it to taste good. It's not just this weird, funky, healthy food that was made for vegans and vegetarians. It can be a healthy part of anyone's diet. And the tofu is actually made from kind of like a condensed soy milk, so that's why it's kind of soft. It has about 8 grams of protein per serving. Now, it's a plant-based protein. It does contain all the essential amino acids, but it is low in one of the essential amino acids, methionine. But if you combine it with a grain, usually you can make up for that methionine. To start the recipe, we're going to throw our rice noodles into the pot and let them boil. And then I'm going to show you what veggies we're going to be using. Okay, so our rice is done and I have strained it. So now we're going to prepare our tofu. So with the tofu, again, you're going to purchase extra firm just because it tends to fry a little bit easier. And what I like to do is cut it into little blocks just about this size. If you do press it, it does release some of the water content, but I'm okay with it just how it is. Here, I like to cut it just like this, and then flip it over one more time and then make just kind of like a rectangle. And we are going to dip them in just a little bit of cornstarch, just kind of gonna give it an outer coating for frying. We're gonna fry it in the pan with some sesame oil, which is super yummy if you haven't had sesame oil. And I'm actually gonna be doing an experimental trial with coating it with chickpea flour and turmeric. So we'll see how that goes. It may be awful, but you guys will be the first to know. And we're just gonna fry for about 5 minutes. I highly recommend using sesame oil just because it's so flavorful, and make sure you get the toasted sesame oil because if you get the regular, it doesn't have the flavor. It's actually kind of earthy and funky tasting. So now we're gonna add our tofu into the pan. Ooh, you hear the sizzle? I love it. Alright, so now I'm flipping these over and giving them a good fry on the other side. Okay, our tofu is nice and golden, so we're actually going to remove it from the heat now and let it cool for a second. Okay, so we have our peanut sauce and our low sodium soy sauce. We're going to transfer the tofu back into the pan. And then I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of our peanut sauce. Okay, when it starts to heat up, you're going to want to stir it because it will start to caramelize. And that's going to make a nice, yummy coating around the outside. Okay, so now we're going to fill our wrappers. And what you're going to start off by doing is heating a bowl of water just so it's warm. And just pouring it onto a regular plate. In case you haven't seen this wrappers before, they look like this. Explain it, it's kind of like a piece of laminate paper. And to soften it, you're going to immerse it in hot water. Just a quick little dip. And then you're going to transfer it onto a cutting board